How to force shut down an iPhone. So let's say your phone is actually froze. To actually shut down your phone, so let's say for example, the normal way we shut down our iPhones is to long press both the volume up and the power button, right? And it will look like this. Now we have to reboot our phone so that we can unfreeze our phone. So to do that is you have to tap on the volume up and the volume down and then just hold the power button. So let's do it. Power up and down and then button here. Here if you do that, as you can see here, slide to power off. And then if you want to reboot your phone, then just slide it to power off and basically it will automatically turn on and phone will be unfrozen. And basically that is how you force shut down an iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.